In this video, I will be teaching you the easiest way to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to make a daisy using the yellow center and the white sides, like this. This step is very easy and does not require any algorithms. The second step is lining up these colors with their centers, and then bringing them down clockwise. Now you have a white cross on the bottom and the colors all lined up on the sides. Alright, this next step is a little bit harder and requires an algorithm. So let me teach you the notation for algorithms. R means you turn the right side clockwise. U means you turn the up side clockwise. L means you turn the left side clockwise. D means you turn the down side clockwise. F means you turn the F side clockwise, the front side. And B means you turn the back side clockwise. But if they have an apostrophe, like R apostrophe, it means you turn them counterclockwise. R counterclockwise, F counterclockwise, and so on. And lastly, if they have a 2, that means you turn them twice in the indicated direction. U, 2, means you turn upside clockwise twice. F apostrophe 2 means you turn the front side counterclockwise twice. With this step, we're trying to solve the corners. You find a corner at the top that has white in it and bring it to the side above where it should be, like this. There's white, green, and orange, so I have the white, green, and orange corner right there. And then the algorithm you use is R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Sometimes you may have to do it more than one time, but this time it worked out to be 1. Alright, let's do another. Here's this corner with white in it. I'll bring it to the side where it should be. Now, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. It's not flipped the right way, so I'll do it again. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Okay, finally. Right now there are no corners with white sides on top, so I'll have to bring one up, like this. I just find one where it shouldn't be, and do the algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Now I can bring it to where it should be, and put it in there. And the last one. Now we have all the corners solved, which means that the bottom white side is solved too. Alright, now the fourth step. This step is a little bit harder with a harder algorithm. We're trying to solve all the edges. So I find an edge with no yellow in it and bring it to the left of where it should be. It's green and orange, so it should be between green and orange. And it's already to the left of that, so we don't have to move it. Now you start with the same original algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, and then flip it, and then do L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. Now it's solved. Okay, let's do another. All these edges in them have yellow up here, which we can't use because we're saving those for the top. So I'll have to bring one out like I did before, using the algorithm I just showed you. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, flip it, L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. And now the edge is out and on top. So I'll put that on the left of where it should be, and then do the algorithm again. Okay, another one done. Now we have two more. Here's this one. It's in wrong, so I have to do it two more times. I have to put it back to where it should be. Do it again, and this time it should go in right. There it is. Now this one is in wrong, so I have to do it twice. And before the second time, I have to move it to the position where it should be. To the left of this. And do R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, flip it, L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. Now we just have the top layer left. Alright, now the fifth step. Just like we made a white cross at the start, now we have to make a yellow cross on top. To do this, find a spot where the yellow edge is not there. These two. Now put them in front. Now do this simple algorithm. F, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, F apostrophe. It's not on top yet, so we'll have to do it one more time. Now we have our yellow cross. Alright, moving on to step number 6. Now we're trying to make all the edges match their color. Right now, only one does. So go to that one and do this algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U, R, U2, R apostrophe. Now they're all matching. But if there wasn't one that was already matching its color, you have to start from scratch to make one by doing the algorithm and then going to one that has its color. Now moving on to the 7th step. In this step, we're trying to make all the corners be in the right place. Right now they're not. This one should be over here, this one should be over here, and this one should be over here. Okay, let's learn this algorithm. U, R, U apostrophe, L apostrophe, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, L. They're not in the right spot, so let's do it again. Now they are. Notice they're not rotated correctly, but they're still where they should be. Okay, now for the 8th and last step. Now we're trying to rotate all the corners correctly. To do this, flip it so that the yellow side is facing you, and that in the top right corner there is an unsolved corner. Now do this algorithm. U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R. And do it until it's facing the yellow side and this corner is facing up. U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R. Now flip it clockwise and do it to the next one that needs fixing. When the whole yellow face is solved, flip it over. Now just rotate the top side correctly to make it match its colors. And now you have solved Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.